Hello guys, it's Solo here. Welcome back with another video. So today we have some interesting clips. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.
Even this stuff sometimes you can find at Daiso. Amazon for sure. Yes. Knife from Daiso. So you don't need to know.
Did this one have the truffle salt?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
My favorite.
Yeah, this is the sauce.
Oh my god.
A little different taste.
Did you put use?
Lemon. It's a lemon juice and the salt.
Oh, the lemon juice.
Truffle salt. Yeah,
the lemon juice on the salmon with the truffle salt.
Good.
Oh my god.
One more.
Yeah,
You love it?
I really like it.
Yeah, many people like truffle salt. No, you need salt. It's no salt.
I'm so ready.
Okay.
It's so good.
Yeah, salmon, truffle salt. It's good. Very popular way.
I've never put lemon juice.
Oh, salmon, lemon, and salt. Yeah, even no truffle, just regular salt works. It's good. Yeah.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Let's see. Do you like Poki? No, I hate her. That's why I play with her all the time. What kind of weird question, guys? If I didn't like someone, I wouldn't play games with them. That's usually how. Do you guys play games with people you don't like? I don't know. Anyway.
Why is that so... Oh my gosh. Can I hug him again? Or is it only a one-time thing? Just once? Thanks, Bo. I can hug again? Okay. I never got to meet you, Bo, but I'm sure you were really wonderful. Can I have a hug? Thanks.
Leave a comment down below. I don't know what to tell you, okay? No, you did not, this is fake, it's a joke, you did not do this, I do not believe you, look, get one a fucking ninja on your neck, I understand that, okay? Get fucking Tim the Tatman's cross and his fucking skull tattoo on his right arm. You are not telling me you got a Mizkif egg tattoo. Wait, is this D. Kane?
What do you guys think down in chat?
That's so cringe. I can't. Okay, stop. I can't. I'm physically.
Wow. It's almost like the streamer knows we're watching her. That's so weird.
Don't clip it, please. Don't clip it. He has enough. He's farmed enough clips for my channel. Please, I'm done. Okay.
How does this make any sense? Okay, in a real life scenario, this guy gets bombed right there and he doesn't die.
Oh my god, stop complaining.
Oh, fuck off. I can complain as much as I want.
Shut the fuck up.
I feel like I'm
Oh my god.
You're dog shit. You're terrible. Nice.
I fucked your mom last night.
Nice chopper gunner, you fucking pussy.
I fucked your mom.
Cap the point.
Oh,
Cap the point.
so
you're playing
good.
You're playing objective game mode without going to the point. You're a fucking loser, kid. Fuck you.
Oh my god.
Enjoy losing, you fucking dumbass cock. I'm 30 and jobless.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm gonna report them for not having a life, bro.
Loving the Ginny and boat.
What?
95 rate.
Fire in the hole! Oh my
We both
god.
did the same exact thing.
Oh my god.
Both.
Oh.
Oh my god. What? Oh my, what the?
I got 141.
Hell yeah, man! Let's go, brother.
I literally had 120.
Hey, yo, you leave me hanging. Hey, there you go. Hey, you leave me hanging, dude. Hell yeah.
Wait, guys, my YouTube channel is youtube.com.
No, hey, shut up, Cook. Shut up. Yeah, Cook sucks.
Dude, too bad. Too bad my Van Nuys video sucks.
Hey, I like to see you guys out here being passionate about what you like. That's awesome to see, dude.
Ready for me. My ult's ready.
Reyna was short.
Bathroom one, Reyna bathroom.
Oh, there's short.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Let's go! GG's!
Defenders win.
Holy shit.
You're really pretty. Really? Thank you. Thank you. They're pretty. What?
Does this make you want to have a baby?
Furry. I spelled furry wrong. Furry spectrum. This is the furry spectrum. So this is pretty much it, right? This is like a normal person, right? And they've got normal, oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, they've got normal hair, you know, it's totally fine. And then as time goes on, they become more furry. So this is really just level 2. This is not really being a furry, number 1. And I'm gonna be honest, guys. I could look at this picture for 10 minutes and I'm never even gonna notice the ears. Like, that's the real truth, and I think that y'all are the same way. Yeah, and so anyway, I guess, yeah, that is level 2 because it's got the tail on it. But regardless, there is definitely a spectrum here that furries exist on, all right? So I want you to understand this and get the appreciation out of it, all right? So I know that. And so anyway, this is important.
I haven't paid rent in 8 fucking years.
Lenny was going to pay my rent. His mom, yeah. Someone else did, though.
But you're basically like Chance's babysitter.
No, dude.
Not Nick. Milena.
Milena. Oh, okay. Yeah, but you keep Milena happy, so. You don't? I'm sure you do.
Oh, Lord, are you kidding me?
Milena hates it here.
You like Austin so far?
It's been so far.
What's been your favorite thing so far?
I don't want to get like so deep, but you guys are so nice.
Oh, thank you. Stop.
I'm gonna cry.
It's nice to go outside.
It is. It's so nice to go outside. I haven't been outside in a very long time.
Yeah.
And like, I'm already tan.
Yeah.
Like just from, oh my god, something like this.
Yeah. She definitely got something in her eyes, guys. Yeah.
Yeah. So right here.
So I push
No, right here. I just push the button on my phone.
Yeah.
Tap to unlock, and then we just pull.
Oh, nice. Cool.
Just on here.
Awesome.
Right.
I do really need to use the bathroom, so I'm gonna go really quick.
I also do, but Andrea, you go first.
Alright, chat. This is fun.
Fantastic.
Also a streamer.
Yeah.
This will be fun.
Okay, so this is cool.
Yeah, this is actually dope.
So this is a Sunday night.
Nick, and end the stream.
Where's the tripod at? Where's the tripod?
I don't know.
Alright, DK.
Wait, it might be in the laser tag area.
Thank you, man.
I did it. That's what E-Rob did. Wait. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, I mean, we're still gonna need the people here. Blue. 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 Oh.
Stop. It has to be this way. It has to be this way.
I'm losing my brain.
Crowd going crazy. Chant for Mango.
This is the new rivalry of the.
Oh!
God, he delays the up air.
Oh, the shield drop!
Zane dropping the punish.
That's it! He
got the Mango winning his first ever Smash Summit.
What? And the biggest prize for the Smash